up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop, and I'm back with another video. You heard me? Hey, y'all already see what's in the back, guys. Man, I just got my truck back last night, guys. Man, I actually wanted to record the process while I was going to get it, but man, my battery was dead. You heard me? But hey, it's a new day, guys. Man, hey. And y'all already know, man, we got the Stage 2 BTR DoD. We got the cam in this thing, man. I'm feeling good, man. I'm excited, guys. You heard me? First of all, before I start this video off, guys, I want to say, man, if you're new to this channel, just watching the video, man, I appreciate it if you drop down and leave your boy a like. Most definitely comment and subscribe to the channel, man, and rock out with your boy. Y'all see it in the back. Told y'all, guys, I'm gonna give y'all this cold start, man. And if y'all looked at the last video, guys, man, hey, if you haven't, y'all go back, you know, look at the other video, man, and then come right back, and then you check out this cold start, guys. But first off, man, I want to give a big shout out, man, to my boy lachonalsx. Y'all make sure that y'all check him out on Instagram, guys. Man, y'all give him a follow, guys, man. Leave him a comment, man. Let him know that the Wolf Stop here, guys. Very cool people, man. Up front. You know, that's what I like, guys. You know, yeah. But anyway, man, without no further ado, man, you know, y'all see the truck. She dirty right now, guys, but hey, I'm just getting her back, man. You know, I just came up out here to shoot this little video for you guys, and I'll probably go wash it up, man, and I'll probably just go back to the house. And but other than that, man, hey, y'all let me know, man. And I'm gonna turn this, actually, guys, let me turn this camera around. Y'all see it? That's baby. Y'all see it, guys? Yeah, this baby. And you know, so yeah, we gonna go ahead and get this cold start cranking, you heard me? And like I say, guys, I went with the BTR Stage 2. You know, I don't have no long tools, man. I got plans. You know, a lot of folks might say, you know, man, what made you do it, bro? Why you didn't wait till you get your long tools and you know, this, that, and the third. And man, you know, I had to do it for the content, guys. You know, I just had to get this content to y'all, man. You know, and plus, you know, like I said, I don't mind, you know, paying for another tune, guys. Right now, man, you know, I'm an up-and-coming YouTuber, guys. So, you know, I don't mind, you know. I don't mind paying for another tune, guys. And plus, you know, it helped me establish relationships, guys. You know, I get to establish relationships, you know, with people, man, that I never would, you know, thought that I would meet, man. You know, this call stuff, man, allowed me to meet people, man. So, yeah. And plus, man, you know, they told me, hey, if I wanted to, man, throw a bigger cam in here, guys, you know, man, just told me it'll be like a couple of dollars. I don't mean a couple of dollars literally, man. You know, it's a couple of $100, guys. And that's what it's all about, man. You know, it's all about getting out here, guys, and building relationships, man, while you building your brand and others building their brand, guys. So, you know, that's why I went ahead and went ahead with the process, guys. Yeah, I should have waited and I could have waited, but, you know, it's all good, man. It's all good, you know. And like I said, man, one more time, man, shout out to lachonalsx, man. lachonalsx, guys. Y'all make sure that y'all follow them on IG. Check them out, man. He got a badass turbo truck as well, guys. So y'all check that out. But, man, yeah, I'm gonna give y'all this cold start. Y'all let me know, guys. Yeah, y'all most definitely, man. Y'all let me know how that sound to y'all coming through this phone. And like I said, guys, this is stage 2 cam. Factory headers. Man, wait till I put them long tools on here, guys. Actually, man, you know, once I put the long tools on here, I'ma actually run my exhaust through the back. So when I do that, guys, I'm gonna have the true doors coming through here. But yeah, there she is, guys. I'm gonna bring y'all up front. And oh man, this thing drive real good. You know, considering that I got these big wheels on it. Y'all can hear it, man. Front real quiet, guys. Yeah, seriously, man, you already know, man, your boy feel good. Hey, man, this thing drives good, bro. It drives so good, man. Hey, we're not going to get into fine details or numbers. We're not going to disclose no numbers. Y'all, man, y'all know right now what I'm putting together, guys. I'm putting together like a daily, man. You know, something where I can just jump into and go. In case I want to ride back home, man, to New Orleans or something. You know, guys, I can do that. I can just jump in and gas and go. I'm not trying to build a race truck, anything like that, man. I'm trying to build a daily driver is what I'm putting together, guys. So with me, numbers is not important. I just know she can move when she want to move, guys. Just know that. But, man, thank everybody for watching. Thank everybody for tuning in, man. Y'all most definitely jump down, leave your boy a comment. Man, let me know. Do y'all like it? Do y'all don't? Hey, I'm satisfied, man. Like I told y'all, I got plenty more stuff coming, plenty more content coming, guys. Next, we're gonna do the drop. Next, I'm gonna do the drop, man. I'm gonna do maybe like a 2-3. I'm gonna do like a 2-3 drop on it, guys. And we're gonna start playing with the interior. And after that, man, you know, who knows where we go from there, you know, but check it out, guys. Y'all check out, man. Sound good, man. Yeah, guys, most definitely, man. Most definitely subscribe to the channel, man. Most definitely check out lachonalsx, guys, on Instagram, man. Y'all follow the page on Instagram. It's your boy Big Smurf from the Woodstock, logging on, signing out, man. Y'all remember positive live spray, positive vibes, guys. So until the next video, man, we're gonna see y'all again. Yeah.